Hello students, welcome in our GK class. Today we will discuss about Indian missiles and aircrafts. The DRDO. The full form of DRDO is Defense Research and Development Organization. It has developed and successfully fired different missiles for defense forces. Today we will discuss about some of them in this video. First is Prithvi. It was India's first indigenously developed ballistic missile. It was produced by Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Development of Prithvi began in 1983 and it was first tested fired on February 25, 1988 from Sriharikota. The three versions of this missile have been tested 20 times since. It is the surface to surface short range ballistic missile with a range capability of 150 to 350 km. Now on the screen Trishul is there. It is a short range surface to air missile developed by India as a part of Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It has a range of 9 km and is designed to counter a low level attack with a very quick reaction time. It is all weather surface to air missile and it was inducted into service in 1999. This is Akash. It is a medium range surface to air missile that can engage multiple targets from multiple directions. It is a ballistic missile from a distance of 30 km. It can be launched from mobile platforms like battle tanks or wheeled trucks. Yes, now on the screen Nag missile is there. Nag is a third generation anti-tank guided missile. It has a range capability of 4 to 6 km. It was first test fired in 1988. In a major boost in the defense sector, on 22nd October 2020, India successfully carried out the final trial of the Nag anti-tank at 6:45 am at Pokhran in Rajasthan. Now Agni. It is an intermediate range ballistic surface to surface missile with a range capability up to 2500 kilometers. It was first tested fired in 1989. Agni missile is divided into three types: medium range missile Agni first, intermediate range missile Agni second, third and fourth, and intercontinental ballistic missile Agni 5 and Agni 6. Yes, now on the screen BrahMos is there. It is a supersonic cruise missile. It is the world's fastest operational system which has been jointly developed by Russia and India's DRDO. Its operational range is 300 to 500 km. Its name comes from Brahmaputra river which flows in India and Moskva river of Russia. So the name of BrahMos is made up from the name of two rivers. Now we are going to start information about Indian aircrafts which are used to defend the boundary of our country. So in front of you Sukhoi Su-30 MKI in front of you. It is jointly developed by Russia's Sukhoi and India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force. The aircraft is equipped to operate autonomously in combat over hostile territory. The MKI is equipped with a lethal 30 mm cannon and a range of missiles, rockets, and bombs mounted externally on 10 hard points. The aircraft provides general air defense in cooperation with ground and airborne control stations. Its twin independently movable rear nozzles give it unmatched maneuverability. Now, MiG 21. It is one of the most widely used fighters in the world outside NATO's influence, having outlived its useful life in the IAF. It is being rapidly phased out. Now it's MiG 29. It has the capability to destroy hostile air targets within radar coverage limits and also to neutralize ground targets using unguided weapons in visual flight conditions. The MiG 29 fighter is equipped with 7 external hard points for air to air missiles, air bombs, and unguided rockets. Now on the screen, Mirage 2000 is there. It's a multi role combat fighter made by Dassault Aviation of France. It has 9 hard points for carrying weapons, system payloads, 5 under the fuselage and 2 on each wing. The plane is also equipped to carry under a range of air to surface missiles and weapons, including laser guided bombs. Yes, this is Jaguar. It is produced to meet a joint Anglo-French requirement in 1965 for a dual role advanced or operational trainer and tactical support aircraft. The Jaguar has been transformed into a potent fighter bomber. Yes, now on the screen, Tejas is there. The Tejas is a lightweight multi-role fighter developed by India. It is a tailless compound delta wing design powered by a single engine. The Tejas achieved a speed of over 1350 km per hour during its sea level flight trials, thus becoming the second supersonic fighter developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited after the Marut. Yes, this is Rafale, the latest added aircraft in Indian Defence Force. Rafale is a twin-jet combat aircraft manufactured by Dassault Aviation, and it is capable of carrying out a wide range of short and long range missions. The Indian government finalized a contract in April 2015 for 36 Rafale, in which 28 single-seater and 8 were dual-seat Rafale craft. The first batch of Rafale jets were formally inducted on 10th of September 2020 at the Ambala Air Force Station.